Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learning Guitar with Big G. Today we'll be learning how to play fretted notes. We're showing you some fretted notes. Is is a simple thing to do when most times when you wake up in the morning if you want to rehearse. It's like warm up exercise that you do with your guitar. Just pick 4 frets like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this finger plays this one, this finger plays this one, this finger plays this one, this finger plays this one. So we'll just be playing it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just play with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's play backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's play it again. Again, let's do it. So once you do that, I advise you to do like 10. So let's do. So you do 1, 3, 2, 4. Again. So let's do it again. Okay. So we're doing this. Okay, let's do. So we're just doing 3 fingers. Okay, if you're tired, you move to another fret. So mostly I'm doing alternate picking. Alternate picking. So just practice. So these are simple warm-up exercises that can help you to gain speed, and it's going to warm up your hands, your finger movements and all that, so you'll be able to play fast on the body of the guitar. So if you have gained something today, make sure you hit the like button and follow or subscribe to the channel if you have not done that. I'll see you in my next video.